everyone in America is going to be flooding to your stand to get all the details on this, just from you guys showing little snippets of what's coming soon.
That's exactly what we aim for.
We've all been to exhibitions around the world, but there's two coming up later in the year that are really exciting, especially for you guys here at 3.9. That's IMTS and AMB. So let's start with IMTS. Why are you guys so excited for the show?
Thank you that you placed this question, Tom. IMTS is one of the most important shows because the American market is for us really, really big. We see a big potential in this market. And this year, in September, we will present the new APEX series on this great show.
So why is the American market so important to you guys here at 3.9?
Well, actually it's like that. We have a service and sales company in the US, and we sold a lot of units till today. But we also find out that after we have put some rumors in the market about the new series, we got already requests from the American market. Where can we have it? Where can we buy it? How will it be done? So this will be a great start for us.
Now, AMB, obviously that runs at the same time as IMTS,
yes.
And is still a really, really important show. So why are you looking forward to that?
Well, we're looking here at the grinding hub where you have everything about special applications like grinding, which is good for us. On the AMB, we are much more open because you find all kind of machining on one place. And we are talking here about OEMs and end customers. All will come by, and especially like we are have had this good success till today with the grinding hub. The same will happen with the AMB. This is one of the most exciting shows for us, AMB and grinding hub. So this is why we met here so good contacts. We have had so good new projects on the last year, so we expect exactly the same. And especially, we got more and more requests for the APEX series. And people already have asked if we will be on the AMB this year. And that's a great thing for us.
So, Theofil, if people are coming to IMTS or AMB, why should 3.9 be on their schedule to visit?
Well, first of all, Tom, it's clear that you will meet here on our booth, either on IMTS or AMB, the nicest people of all. So we are skilled, we know the application that the customer, we can explain and find solutions to every problem that the customer has. And it makes sense because with our new product line APEX, we deliver sustainability and we lower the total cost of ownership, and we are looking that that customers got a healthier workplace. And I think it speaks for itself. That's the only thing. Yeah.
Well, Theofil, thank you so much for your time today. And if you are looking at visiting IMTS or AMB, make sure the 3.9 stand is firmly in your schedule.